I would first think about what I've drank in the past and what I've done good with or what I haven't done good with. A lot of people do good with tequila. A lot of people don't. So as a bartender, when you come up to the bar and you're like, I don't know what I want. I'm like, so what do you normally drink? Bourbon, scotch, vodka, gin, rum, tequila. Then from there, I can go, do you like sweet, dry, fruity, or bitter? And then I can make an assumption on exactly what I might think you need. And if I have any latest trend drinks, of course, I might turn you on to that. But knowing what you can drink and what you can't drink is a big deal when you're going to the bar to order drinks. Because if you don't like rum or if you're allergic to a certain something, you don't want to go in there ordering frozen hurricanes or things like that. So just be smart when you go out to the bar and do your research.